Hi there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'd like to share 6 tricks for editing your mirror selfies with YouCam Perfect. For full body selfies, we'll show you how to use body tuner and perspective adjustment. For half body selfies, we'll show you how to use the face shaper and skin smoothing tools. In addition, we'll give you a peek of some fun ideas with our filters that you can use for inspiration. And if you don't want to pose for a photo today, no worries, mirror editing will be your new favorite alternative. Once you've taken the full body mirror selfie, check out our new feature, Body Tuner. Now, we think that all bodies are beautiful, but if you want to slightly modify anything, you can go to Beautify, click Body Tuner and select Enhancer, then scroll to whatever shape you want, like we see here for the chest. This effect can also be used on your hips to get that bubble butt. You'll see it naturally increase or decrease to the shape you like. Of course, if you want, you can apply the effect onto the legs as well. When you click on the slim feature, this will subtly adjust your waistline. Have you tried it out yet? Let us know how it goes. One of the key factors in taking that full body selfie is perspective. Go to Edit, click on Tool, and then you can adjust the vertical and horizontal settings of your photo, just like this. You'll notice that small adjustments of these settings can totally change the look of your photo. Half-body mirror selfies always focus more on the face. Take a look at this picture. The lighting is too dark and the face doesn't stand out. So let's work on the color and filter first. Go to Edit, click Tool, and then go to Adjust. Modify shadow and dark for better lighting in your photo. Then you can move on to HSL, adjusting yellow or orange colors in your photo. Then to lighten the warm colors, use temperature and adjust it to see how you want your selfie to look. Filters are also under the Edit tab. Just click Effects and loads of filters will show up for you to choose from. Today, we're going to choose the Cool filter. Now, let's focus on the face. If you want to tweak the face shape a little, go to Beautify and try on the face shaper or chin shaper to see what you like. Scroll to your liking, then click Check to go to the next step. Smoothing skin is really easy. Simply click Smooth and the app will do it for you automatically. Voila, it's done. For mirror selfies, you'll want a clean background for less distractions. Check out how easy it is to erase those annoying things behind you. First, go to Edit and select Removal. Then, go ahead and brush over the unwanted object in your photo and click Remove for some eraser magic. If you've already taken a photo you like, we have just the idea to amp it up and turn it into a fun mirror selfie. First, go to Add Photo and choose your favorite one. This one's great. Adjust the opacity to see where you want to put it. Alright, then erase the edges of the image that go past the edge of the mirror. You'll want to adjust the opacity again to make it look more natural in the combined image. Now click Check and Save. To add a more aesthetic vibe to your photo, try our effects to make vintage glowy edits. Today, we're going to use Retro with the wash in it and Kira Kira. For the filter effects, you're also able to change the quantity and size that you want. Mirror, mirror on the wall, you're the most beautiful of them all. Thanks for watching! Today, we showed you 6 ways of perfecting your mirror selfies. If you like them, you can download our app to try them all out for free. Remember to subscribe and turn on the little bell for more beauty hacks coming soon. Thanks, and see you next time!